Welcome to Excel Master Key. Are you looking to take control of your personal finances and reach your financial goals? A simple tool like a budget could be the key to achieving it. It is essential to control our expenses, especially the unnecessary ones, and avoid financial problems. Knowing where we spend the money we earn is crucial. Being able to plan for the future is important. Having the ability to save for unexpected expenses and/or to acquire goods we desire is beneficial. Making better decisions with our money is necessary. Having financial peace of mind is invaluable. We know that keeping track of our finances can be overwhelming, but it is essential to control our expenses, especially the unnecessary ones, to avoid financial problems. That's why we've created a solution with our Excel template. With it, keeping track will no longer be a hassle and it will be effortless, even without being an expert in Excel. With our Excel template, you'll be able to easily and clearly visualize the evolution and breakdown by categories of your income, expenses, and savings. This will allow you to have an overview of how you're managing your finances, make informed decisions, and adjust your expenses if necessary. Additionally, you'll know how much available money you have left. Our Excel template will allow you to easily visualize the behavior of your finances over time by selecting a specific period to analyze their evolution. This way, you'll have a clear and detailed view of how your income, expenses, and savings have changed over a certain period. This will help you make informed decisions about managing your finances in the future. You will be able to see how your finances have evolved during that time in a clear and concise way in all summary tables and graphs. This will allow you to identify patterns and trends in your income, expenses, and savings. But that's not all. The summary table can also be filtered to provide more detailed information about your financial transactions. This means that you can focus on specific areas of your finances to better understand where you're spending your money and how you can make adjustments to achieve your financial goals. With this template, you can monitor your outstanding and upcoming invoices so that you don't miss any important payments. Additionally, you can keep tabs on your subscriptions and their renewal dates using this template, allowing you to budget for payments and avoid any surprise fees. You can find the link to download the Excel template in the video description. Now, without further ado, let's demonstrate how this Excel template works. To begin, it is necessary for you to input each of your incomes, expenses, or savings indicating the date, amount, and the category it belongs to. You have the option to customize and add as many categories as you need. After inputting all the data, you'll be able to view your financial situation in a graphical format without the need for further action. The control dashboard will automatically update every time a new transaction is added, without requiring any additional steps. Thanks to the timeline and filters located at the top, it is possible to perform a detailed analysis of finances during a specific period or compare between months or years. This allows you to view the evolution of your finances over time and make relevant comparisons. To deselect previously selected criteria, you need to click on the red icon located on the right-hand side. To select multiple criteria at once, you need to click on the Shift key on the keyboard while selecting the criteria. The following table shows a monthly summary of incomes, expenses, and savings, displaying the available balance or money. The icon next to the balance changes color depending on whether the available balance is negative or positive. The first charts show a summary of the total expenses, incomes, and savings, as well as their monthly evolution. In these figures, we can see the total amount of incomes, expenses, and savings. The speedometer displays the available amount of money, while the following charts represent the percentage of incomes dedicated to covering expenses and savings, as well as their monthly evolution. The following graphs show the monthly breakdown of income, expenses, and savings by categories, as well as the monthly trend. The table provides a detailed view of the financial situation by breaking down income, expenses, and savings into specific categories and showing the proportion each category represents within the monthly total. This makes it easy to identify the largest expense categories and evaluate whether unnecessary spending in those areas can be reduced, which helps to save money and improve overall financial management. The icon next to the balance changes color depending on whether the available balance is negative, meaning expenses and savings exceed income, it turns yellow when they are equal, or green when it is positive. You have the possibility to perform a more detailed analysis by filtering by transaction type or category. To select multiple criteria at once, you need to click on the Shift key on the keyboard while selecting the criteria. To deselect previously selected criteria, you need to click on the red icon located on the right-hand side. One of the most useful features of this template is the tracking of overdue and pending invoices. To use this tool, simply fill in the fields of the table with the information about your invoices. If an overdue invoice has not been paid, it will appear in red so you can easily identify it. Additionally, thanks to the filters, you can quickly find the overdue and pending invoices that you need to pay. You'll never have to worry about forgetting an important payment again. You will also have the option to track your subscriptions and their renewal dates. Simply add the subscriptions by indicating their name, start and renewal dates, as well as the amount. Once added, you can see all your subscriptions and their current status in the table. The subscriptions that have expired and not been renewed will be displayed in red as an alert, so you can take note of them. You can also use filters to quickly search and view the subscriptions that interest you the most and renew them in time. Of course, remember that you can find the link to download the Excel template in the video description. We hope it has been helpful to you and that it helps you to maintain an efficient and effective financial control.